I'm not hearing anybody make noise again about foreign borrowing after we completed the Lagos-Ibadan. Because with Lagos-Ibadan running, with the worry, Kano, Itabe running, and with Kaduna, Abuja, I'm sure that everybody, the senators, the House of Reps members, the ministers, the military, everybody, they are all using these things now. And now, from December, we'll be able to move cargoes from the Lagos seaport, which is Apapa, up to Ibadan. And at the moment we get money to do from Ibadan to Kano, then we'll be able to move cargoes from Lagos up to Kano. And that will congest Lagos indeed. In the same manner, if we are able to get money to construct a coastal rail, then about out of the 6 seaports we have in Nigeria, 4 of them are in the Niger Delta, which is the coastal rail. We'll be able to also move cargoes from those areas, including wet cargoes, which is fuel or crude oil, and from all these areas. So the economy will be moved. What Ministry of Transport provides for the country is logistics, and cost of goods will come down. And I continue to cite this example. When Audubi was the Minister for Agri, he beckoned on me one day and said, look, the cost of tomato is very high in Lagos. Can we get rail to run between Kano and Lagos for just 2 weeks so that we can bring down the cost of tomatoes? And when we put the rail and move tomatoes from Kano to Lagos, it crashed the price of tomatoes. Then it creates employment. I was telling people that we're going to start from Kano to Kaduna. There is no way we would create about 20,000 employment opportunities for Nigerians who live around that corridor. In the same manner, when we do Port Harcourt Maiduguri, the same will happen. Same will happen when we do Ibadan to Kano and Lagos to Calabar. That will move the economy.